got another interesting video today. We've got this guy standing there, which this is the same guy that, what has it been, like 3 years now since we raced the E55 with the Mustang?
It's been a little while.
It's been a while, yeah. Which clearly we've both upgraded heavily over what we used to have. I mean, I still have the E55, but you guys know this is the new E63 I bought, what, 3 weeks ago now? 2-3 weeks ago. And that's Jacob's, what is it, 23 or 24?
24.
M2. So if you guys know anything about that, S58, rear wheel drive, those things are absolute animals. And let's be honest, your BMW doesn't tell the truth when it comes to horsepower, because we both know that car is not what they claim.
A little bit more.
So it's going to be really interesting to see between these two, because obviously the E63 has the power advantage. It's 603 with 627 pound-feet of torque, but it does weigh about 600 pounds more than the M2 does. It is all-wheel drive, so we're going to run them, see what happens. Now, we're not going to be doing it from a dig because, well, this one's all-wheel drive and that's not, and it's just not fair. I mean, you'd have to have like an M5 comp or something just to be comparable. But first, we're going to hop in. Jacob has a draggy we're going to use to see what really this thing can do, and then we'll go from there. So let's hop in this car.
Oh, that was better. This thing's fast. I did 11 1/4. Oh my god. I'll let you know when I'm ready though. Sounds good.
Yeah, it's not bad.
So I'm going 40, so pull up on my mirror so that we're mirror to mirror. Alright, pull up a little bit more. Alright, hold on 1 second. Alright, go ahead and knock it off.
Oh, fuck. I fucked up the shift, Jacob. Damn.
Still pulled though.
I'm surprised it still pulled on you like that.
I'm not. I saw the draggy time, so I kind of figured that would happen.
Yeah, but that's all like numbers. I mean, real life, like BMW says that car makes 450 horsepower, but we both know that's a lie. So, you know.
All right, we can try a 50.
It pulls, dude. Fucking animal. Oh my god. Jesus.
No match for that 603 horsepower V8.
Yeah. I really want to. You have a guy. I saw one of your videos because I watch all of them. You raced a guy with an M550. Do you think that'd be a good race or no?
No, because my car's still faster than the M550.
Is it really?
You should race a M3 X drive and then a M5. E63 is quick.
It's quick, yeah. It's just because of the power, bro. That's legitimately what it is. Just because it has so much torque.
Yeah. The torque to power difference for sure.
Yeah. Alrighty, everybody. Well, there's the video. That was really interesting. So just a little bit of background. That's my buddy Jacob. Me and him used to work together at a Ford dealership here in town. He still works there. I obviously do finance stuff now. And we both have upgraded, I guess you could say. So the original video like this that me and him did was when I first got the E55 about 3 years ago. We raced it. He had a 2020 Mustang GT, and it was bad. I mean, the Mustang GT destroyed me. You know, I've always known the E55 never ran how it should, and I mean, it needs a good dyno tune. But back then it was on a clutch pulley, and I just didn't understand how the IAT stuff worked. So he destroyed me back then. And then I've also, actually, no, that wasn't the first video. You know what, I'm lying. The first video that me and him ever filmed together was when I raced his Mustang EcoBoost in my Boxster. So if you guys are new to the channel, I had a 2003 Porsche Boxster S that, you know, I had bought really good price, and I had fixed it and all that kind of stuff and done some good videos with it. Me and him ran it. He had an EcoBoost Mustang, a 2019 EcoBoost that was on a tune. It wasn't even close. I mean, Mustang just walked the Porsche, but to be fair, I was a manual. He had the 10-speed and also a lot more power than I did, so it was just what it is. Then we did the E55 video and whatnot, and we just haven't raced since then. I've ridden in his M2. That car is an animal. I mean, it's crazy. Let's be honest here, we didn't know BMW lives. I mean, they claim 453. He dynoed the car, it makes like 500. Like, to the wheels. Like, that's crazy, dude. I mean, and the car's stock. He's done nothing to that thing. So it's a pretty crazy car. I mean, it's got the same motor that's in the G8X M3 M4 Duo. It is an animal of a car, and you know, he's done a lot of he's broken a lot of people's spirits with that thing because it's very fast. So when I got this, the E63, he was like, we got to run him because I'm interested in seeing. The day I gave him a ride, he said to himself, he was like, the E63 is faster. It's gonna beat the M2. I was kind of skeptical because this car is like 600 pounds heavier than that. And yeah, sure, it's got, you know, probably 150, according to stock numbers, 150 horsepower more. But I just wasn't unsure. I had a little bit of a weird gut feeling. I felt like the M2 was just going to keep up with the E63. Clearly not. The E63 just kept pulling and pulling. And I mean, you guys saw the car just pass by me. And we were in Mexico. I'm back in Las Vegas now. Thank goodness Mexico is only like 20 minutes away from Vegas. But yeah, I'm back in Vegas now. But in Mexico on those roads, I actually had a pretty nice road out there. And we did a draggy, as you guys can see it. I'm waiting for him to send me the footage, but you guys have already seen it now. In the draggy footage, this thing did a 3-second 0 to 60 with a 1 foot thing, 0 to 60, 3 seconds, and it trapped 11.1 in the quarter, which is kind of crazy. 11.1 at 124 miles an hour. That's kind of crazy. I mean, this thing's an animal. It is an absolute animal, and oh man. At this point, I kind of just want to go sub 3 seconds and sub 11. So, you know, downpipes tune. I'm thinking about a nice black boost intake so I can hit the turbo spooling. But for stock, this thing's an animal. He has a few friends that have G8Xs, so like an M3, and a guy who has an M5. I'm interested in running those cars in Mexico to seeing what's happening. The M5, he told me, is not stock. It's got downpipes and a tune, so it is probably going to be faster than the E63. But it'd be interesting to see by how much, because I've driven a 2020 M5 comp and the E63 feels the same. Maybe the M5 is a little bit faster, but I feel like they were very similar in terms of like dyno power numbers. It felt really similar to me. I just really want to see where those cars stack up against C63. I also want to run like a C63, a W205, and seeing where that's at. I'd be interested in running a new C63 and seeing where that's at. But yeah, there's a lot of cars I'd be interested in just kind of running and seeing. One of the cars I really want to is, I want to run against the E55. Once we fix the rod knock and all that stuff, I want to run it against the E55 and see, because I know on paper the E63 should win, but the E55, I tell you guys, when I did that, since I've done that fixed clutch or fixed pulley, that thing is an animal. It pulls like a freight train, and it's fast. So I'm interested in seeing kind of where both of them stack up. But thank you all both so much, or thank you all, I shouldn't say both, thank you all so much for watching the video. If you guys like this kind of content, let me know. I'm trying to find some new stuff to do to keep making videos for you guys and keep bringing content. Let me know what you guys want to see. If you want to see more like this, or if you want to see regular videos, you guys let me know. But thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys in the next video.